Today we are having brunch and biscuits are on the menu, and I'm going to show you how I make an easy Sprite biscuit. So tasty. Here are the 3 ingredients you will need, and about 1/4 cup of flour for rolling your biscuits. You will also need 1/2 cup of butter. Let's get started. Okay guys, these are so simple. We're going to start by measuring 2 cups of biscuit. Then we're going to place it in a mixing bowl. Give it a light whisk to break up some of the lumps. We're going to go ahead and measure ourselves up 1/2 cup of sour cream. It's going to keep our biscuits nice and moist. Add it to the bowl, right on top of that biscuit. Now, using that same measuring cup, we're going to pour up 1/2 cup of Sprite. This is going to help our biscuits rise. Now we're going to mix this all together. You want to make sure not to overmix, because that will result in a tough biscuit. We don't want a tough biscuit. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And in a baking pan, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to place it in the oven to melt. You want to watch it closely because you do not want your butter to burn. On a clean surface, you want to go ahead and sprinkle some flour down and add your biscuit dough. Toss your dough around in the flour until it's no longer sticky. And then pat it down, and I like to pat mine down in a square shape. Then I take a knife and I pre-cut the dough into the number of biscuits I plan on making, dusting that knife into flour to prevent sticking. Now roll your biscuits and add them to the melted butter. Guys, there are many ways to roll biscuits, and this is the way I have been rolling them for over 40 years. I first take a square, I roll lightly in flour, flatten it a little, then roll like a sausage. Then I cup it in my hand and roll it into a ball. And then I just place it in the melted butter. And that is it. Now, let's finish up. like to gently press my biscuits down in the center so that they all are touching. Place them into your 400 degrees oven for 15 minutes or until they are brown. Temperatures vary in different ovens, so use your judgment. Take a look at those biscuits. All you need to do now is butter them oh so well. And we are ready to put this brunch on the table. I have some fried fish here I'm taking up, and we're getting ready to plate. We have our grits and fish on the plate. Now let's take a look at those Sprite biscuits. Guys, I kid you not, these are so light, fluffy, and moist. Take a look at that. So moist. I have some pear preserve here. If you're interested in making your own, I have a simple video, and I will leave the link in the description box. Guys, these 3 ingredient Sprite biscuits are a winner. And paired with my homemade pear preserve, it's over the top. I thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, life is great when you keep it simple. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.